Hey guys, welcome back to Ray's Creator Corner. Today we're going to be learning how to make a mini speedboat. Okay, so what you need for this tutorial is one piece of square paper. I need some sticky notes for this. Okay, first we're going to be folding across in half, then folding to this side. Back into the middle, both sides. I just want to give a shout out to Benji. Thank you for being the best mate ever. Then you're going to fold this to the end. Turn it around. We're going to fold that point to that point. This point to the point over there. And then put your finger through, pull, and you have it. Okay, I'm just gonna pull that up a bit. So now what we're gonna be doing is, see these? Yeah. We're gonna be taking a piece. You can see it's split into two. Oh God, sticky notes is hard. Ow. Okay. I finally got it. Now we're gonna be folding it, okay? Folding this all the way to that, so it looks like that. Same on this side. Then, with this, you're gonna be folding onto that, so it kind of matches. So you can see it kind of matches. Same symmetrical here to there. Then we're gonna fold the point inside that little thingy. We could say border. Let's say symmetrical. Again, same on here. Open it up a bit. See that little thing in the middle? Push it. There's like a bump in the middle. Push it a bit down. Open this up. And there you guys have it. Your very own speedboat. You could even use it for claws. Shadak. Ga. Ga, ga, ga. Thank you guys for watching. See you later. Shoo.